This is Dennis Smith with Smittys Classics. It's been a while since we've done an update on the F100 Unibody truck. Last time we looked at it, we were putting this pulley system on. Sorry I didn't get any video of the actual installation, but this is a March pulley system. It's all complete and on the engine now. There's a look at what it looks like completed. Just to kind of give you a rundown on where we're at with the truck. Right now, we're test fitting the height of the core support. We were a little concerned about the way it mounted to the frame, making sure the fenders line up where they're supposed to, make sure we got good body lines between the fenders and doors. The hole you can see in the bottom down there on the left is actually a footwell that's going to go back in it, not a stock feature, but one it had. The sides of it, all the small minor dents that were all over that truck are all gone and worked out. The bed of the truck has gotten a little work. Right there, you can see where the fuel cell used to be on it. There was a hole inside of it. We had to custom fabricate a piece to fill that in. The filler neck's going to go right here in the corner. We'll have that tucked away where it's relatively hidden, but easy to get access to. The wheel tubs that you can see on each side had quite a few really heavy dents in them. Those are being worked out, so that'll be something you won't see. It'll be nice, good finish on it. The other side of it, you can see the same thing with the footwell and the work we're doing on the side of the truck. The fuel filler neck will probably stay there where it is. We'll put a dummy one in there, actually considering putting the 20-gallon tank back in it for a dual fuel tank. The floor pan that was in this was completely rusted out. We didn't want to replace it with an entire new floor, so we had to fabricate a new piece for it, as well as cut, and we're going to be building a cover for that E4OD transmission so that we can have easy access to it. But there it is, pretty much all completed on that part. No other serious rust issues except a few up here on the cab edges. Those have all been worked out, and this is what it looks like for now. We'll give you an update on it as soon as we have it out of paint.